where we're stepping. Okay, nice. Keep going. What's going on, guys? Wallace Conrad from ElevenfitTV. Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. As always, thank you for all the support that you've given us. On a Saturday morning, you wake up and you want a workout to do. This is a workout that I love to incorporate on a Saturday morning. Nice cardio workout, right? As I always implore you to do. Use what you have, guys. Use your music. If you're not feeling up to it, put your music on. Get the workout going. But get your workout in, right? Consistency. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a workout that you can jump onto ElevenfitTV and you can do on the weekends, in the morning, in the evening, whichever you choose. You can do this 10 minutes, HIIT workout, 45 seconds of work, and then we're going to do some active rest with this workout. So it's going to be a bit intense, but it will be totally worth it. So get your music pumping and let's do this. As usual, don't need any equipment. You just need your space, and let's do this. Okay. All right. Here we go. Boom. So we're going to go out with a simulation of those jumping jacks. This is not high impact, guys. Keep your abs nice and contracted while you do this, right? And you're just stepping out. Nice. You're not overstretching, right? Up. Nice. Keep those abs nice, contracted. Good. Right? We're not doing any jumping, guys. Right? As we always do on ElevenfitTV, we show you different ways of keeping fit. You don't have to be a pro, right? You just have to commit and get to it, guys. And that is time. All right? So for the 15 seconds, we're just going to do some steps. All right? We're marching on the spot. Keep that heart rate going. Keep that blood pumping. All right, here we go. Now we're going out and we're coming across. Breathe. Knees to elbows, going across, crunching across here. All right, almost there. Keep going, guys. And that is time. We go back into that active rest where we're stepping. Okay, nice. Keep going. Nice. What you're going to do now, guys, we're going down. Right, we're just stepping out, 1, 2, coming back in. That's all. Come back in. That's it. Not overexerting. It's almost like you're going into a bear crawl, right? But you're just stepping out and into that posture, right? Nice. Good going, guys. Nice. Good. Almost there. And that is time. All right. I go up. We go back into the active rest. And we're stepping. Nicely done. Nice. Now, we're going to back into some reverse lunges, okay? So hands on your hips, you're stepping back and back in place. There you go, and back. All along, guys, keep your abs nice and tight while you're doing this, all right? Give you that nice firm posture, all right? And you're getting those thighs working, right? Nice. Feeling that stretch, putting that load on those thigh muscles, okay? Good job, guys. And that is the stopwatch for you. All right, active rest. We go back, we keep stepping. All right, for this one, what I want you to do, put your hands all the way out like a star, right? And what you're going to do this time, you're going to reach for those toes. You don't have to be touching them, guys. All right? Yes. A doctor's work in this one. The abs are nice and tight, giving you that nice posture, and you're reaching, and you're going out towards that toe. Swing them up. Go. Well done. Nice job, guys. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Right? Even the delts are working because they have to keep the arms up, and that is time. Okay, active rest. We go back and we step. Good going, guys. Good going. All right. So you remember we were doing the backward lunges. Now we're going forward. Okay. Nice. 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 We're not jumping, guys. All we're doing, going through the movements, not high impact at all. Keep those abs nice and tight. High chest. You keep going. Now you're really starting to feel that heart pumping. All right. You're starting to breathe heavy. That is good. Good going. And that is time. Sorry. Pause. Okay, so this one, what you're going to do, guys, we're going to go 1, 2. This time we're standing up and stretching. Down, out, in, stand up. Up to the sky. Out, you're coming back in. Up to the sky. You get the idea here. It's like a modified burpee that we're doing, but we're not jumping out. We're not going for that high impact, guys. In, we're going up to the sky. All right. You can even, guys, add our tippy toes up to it and come back down. All right. Up to the sky. Down, come back in, and we're going up. Stretch. Like down. We're going back up. All right, and that's time. All right, so next one, what we're going to do, we're going to lift those knees up. Not high impact, guys. We're just keeping the movement continuous. All right. If you're tired, take a deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. All right. Good job. Keep it going. Good job, guys. All right, and then we're going to get back into that active rest. All right. Well done. Good going, guys. All right, for the next exercise, what we're going to do, we're going to go in that squat hold, guys. All right, and then we're going to do some punches forward, okay? So, we're in the squat, and we're going. Good going, guys. So the knees, they're feeling it. The quads, they're feeling it. The arms are working, right? The delts are feeling it. Keep those arms up and keep that punching motion going. Good going, guys. Keep going. Good going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Go back to that active rest. Well done. Good going. All right. For this one, guys, what you're going to do is bring leg across and drive. 3, 4, 5. Switch over to the next side. 5. The entire movement, guys, the abs is nice and tight. Alternate. Keep it going. Switch. Good going, guys. Next. Good going, guys. Next side. Nicely done, guys. And that right there take us up to about 10 minutes, guys. Very well done to everyone who have completed it, right? If you can do another set, by all means, take 1 minute rest and then you go again, right? But that gets the muscles nice and working. Nice cardio HIIT workout there, guys. So remember to leave a like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Until next time, see you again soon. ElevenfitTV.
I know that you're tired, but I'm asking you to do me one favor. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Come on, you got this. I know you can do it. Keep going.